What you're looking at here is my 1973 Plymouth Duster. You know, it's funny, my favorite years of these models are the earlier ones with the different grills. The rest of the bodies are mostly the same, but the grills were different from, gosh, I think it's 70 through 72. And then these 73 and ups have this more pronounced kind of beak. But this thing is growing on me. I'm liking it more and more. It's funny how many people ask me if it's a Nova. I want to smack them in the face. Anyway, so this is my Duster, and it's pretty close to a base model. It's as close to a base model as I really wanted to get. It originally has steel wheels and a 225 slant 6. The total bottom of the barrel would have been a 198, I believe. And it has an automatic transmission, which would have been an upgrade. The base model would have been a 3 on the tree manual. And it has power steering. However, it does have manual drum brakes. And I like drum brakes. I can drive them. You know, it takes a little bit of skill to be able to drive them. Anyway, the body on this thing is just so crisp. Like, someone started doing some body work on it a couple years ago, kind of cleaning it up and primering some stuff. But you can see this thing. I haven't been able to find any Bondo on it yet, except for just a little bit on the actual body, you know, where it's supposed to be, like where there's a tiny wrinkle, not holes filled. Still got its original stickers. Got a AAA stickers right there. Some kind of sheriff sticker. I believe it originally came out of Florida. There's another Florida sheriff sticker over here. It's kind of hard to get around the car right now. I'll pull it out later and get some better pictures of it. Just wanted to get a little intro here so you guys can get a little peek at what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be sanding down, primering, and painting this car back its original color. A lot of people like to hot rod these. That's cool. But I wanted a little gas zipper, and I wanted to keep it mostly original. So yeah, this also had AC. When I got it, the compressor was missing. It wasn't on there at all. So I had the rest of the parts removed. Just I'm not a big AC guy anyway, especially in old cars. It doesn't really work very well, and it takes away the power. So this thing is really super clean. Down to its floorboards. It's still got the original floor mats. I don't know if I could on the light in here right now. I'll get some better light in here later. Look at this bench seat. The bench has got one little rip, and the rest of it's nice. The back seat looks like no one's ever sat in it. The headliner's sagging a little bit. I gotta put that back up. But, the frickin' ashtray has never been used. I mean, never been used. You could eat soup out of it. And let me see if I can get the mileage. It's showing a little over 90,000 miles. 90,303. All the gauges work. I've had the engine tuned up. It runs great. It's got a brand new gas tank. It's got a rebuilt carburetor. It's got all the brakes have been redone. I had the front drums redone, all new shoes and hardware, new master cylinder, and that's all it really needed. And now it needs body work. And it's funny, I was watching a movie recently, Edward Scissorhands. I believe it's from 1990, and in that movie, there's a character. She's the mom. And she's working as an Avon lady, and she's the one that actually discovers Edward Scissorhands. Anyway, this, I swear, this is the car that she drives. And this might be the actual car. Like, the car in the movie is identical to this car. Same color, same little bumper guards on the front, same interior, same automatic, same wheels, same wheel covers. And this car, like I said, came out of Florida, and Edward Scissorhands was actually filmed in Florida. So it's entirely possible this is the Edward Scissorhands car. I don't know. Yeah, you know, the door card's a little wrinkly there. You can see. Not that bad. Got an extra gas tank strap down there from a big truck, but it's got the weird screw that I need. One of the little lockdown bolts was stripped out on the gas tank. This is the worst part of the interior besides that rip, is just some sun aging on the headrest here. You can see this thing is just sweet. Just a beautiful old car. You know, it looks like it's 10 years old, not close to 50. Look at that door. You know, even though it's got 90,000 miles on it, it feels like it's got like 40,000 miles on it. What I was told, it was owned by an old preacher, and he just took really good care of it. Yeah, he let the paint get a little old, and then, you know, it's got its little spots in the front, but this thing is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Even the dash is good. Look at the dash. It's got like one little crack, and then it's crumpled in the corner there. But man, usually these things are just chewed up. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to original color here. So when I saw this car in the movie, I really liked how this yellow looked. It's called Sunrise Yellow. It's an original PPG color, and I really liked how that color looked. So I was like, you know what? I think I'll keep that color. Let's see. Go ahead and pop the hood here. Show you this little slant six. So right now the radiator's out of it. The radiator had some gunk in it. I have to have that either cleaned out or rebuilt or just replaced. I have not decided yet. I've already gotten replacement tires. Oh yeah, that's right, I did. Got a new ignition box. You can see the new master cylinder, carb rebuild. Got a new bypass switch for the heater. You can see where I've had the AC parts removed. And it's really dirty under the hood here, but there's no rot or rust really. I mean, a little bit of surface rust, but I'll get that cleaned up. Had the valve cover there painted, looks really nice. The battery's a little big, but it's the one I've got. I'll wind up replacing that with the proper battery. Need to get a hold down for it. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, in the hood here, a little bit of dirt, but no rot, just the tiniest bit of surface rust. That'll be easy to fix. Even through here, a little surface, but no holes, no rot, no cancer. Look at the old number 2 from the inspector. Wound up turning into surface rust. Isn't that funny? Yeah, it's a solid old car. I'm not sure what this BE here means. I'm pretty sure someone else put that there, probably someone's initials, the former owner's initials. But and yeah, you can see down there the power steering pump. Yeah, and you can see the groove, extra groove on for the AC right there. Even the hood shuts good. Although The alignment's a little bit funky. I'll wind up messing with that. The sticker on the window says $12.95. I wonder what this thing was like back in 1995. Anyway, y'all, thanks for checking in. This is going to be the little intro. Like I said, it's right now. It's sitting in my big old shop. There's all kinds of stuff around, but now that it's fall and the weather's cool outside, I'm gonna move this stuff and roll it back outside and start doing the body work. The next step here is I need to go get materials. I need sandpaper. I need some body filler. I don't need very much. I really just need to be able to. I'll show you what I gotta have to do here. Like there's no holes or anything, but there is this dent at the bottom here, and I'm gonna have to push that out and then, hit it with a little body filler just to cover up the wrinkle. And then I need to get some primer. And then I'm gonna price out the paint. I'm not gonna buy the paint yet, but I will get it priced out. And that's what I'm doing today. All right, see y'all on the next episode.